Soft life, babe. We're brokies. I'm not broke in Jesus' name. Glass bridge. You can see the Kaale, and it leads from the station into the mall over there. Guys, I'm in so much pain. I think I'm having like ulcer pangs. I haven't really eaten much today. Just had breakfast and I rushed out of the house because I wanted to get here before sunset. And it was a bad idea because I'm starving and I'm having serious ulcer pains. Like my stomach is out of whack. I can't even walk properly. My back is hurting. That's usually like how ulcer pangs are. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sonia and I'm a content creator based in Montreal, Canada. And today we're checking out the Royalmount Mall for the first time. Seeing as I'm an unemployed, soft life babe, soft babe, I'm looking for like cheap ideas and ways to get out of the house. Today's a really warm day, October 31st, and it's like 25 degrees. It never really happens. So I decided to take advantage and come to the mall today because once it starts getting cold, I'm not going out, guys. I'm gonna have to find some other kind of content to show y'all. But yeah, cheap content. I don't like window shopping. I'm not gonna spend any money here. Maybe just get something to eat because I'm starving, about to die. But yeah, we're here. Coming into the mall. Some nice art. Starbucks. BMO. Garage. It's over there. Swarovski, David T. Kaale Rouge. Aldo. I'm sure I can find something for cheap at A&W. Let me go see what other food stuff is here, actually. So, drinking some tap water, warm tap water, to kind of like line my stomach before I eat, because I'm actually starving. I'm in so much pain. Thank you. I wonder, okay. So I have to get downstairs because I need to sit down. Serious pain. Serious pain. Oh, interesting. People take pictures here. This is outside. I'll show you guys the map. But I use the map to find how to get here. And they have like Cineplex. That's a restaurant, a Mexican restaurant. Very artsy. Canada Goose right here. What's Fufu? Okay, I think it's a restaurant. Sit out spot. Yes, what is that? I was here somewhere, and then I walked here and came out here, and then I'm at the park Urban. Oh, they have a slide. I'm about to go slide down, guys. That's evening, but I'm still feeling dull. I'm trying to get myself back. That's it. I'm about to slide down. I hope it's not dirty. I'm not using my dress to clean this place. But Agbaya. Now me doing Agbaya things. Piercing collar. Versace. You know, I had someone that used to call this thing Versace. Versace. David Yurman. They have. It's like a food court, kind of.
A few moments later.
Oh, they have a water fountain. Ooh, nice. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much the mall. They have like 13 women's shops, 7 unisex shops, 6 shoe shops, 4 handbag and luggage shops, 6 eyewear shops, 15 jewelry and watches shops, 5 beauty and wellness shops, 11 sports and outdoor shops, 1 tech and electronic shop, 8 homeware and deco shop, 2 banks, 1 piercing and ink shop, 1 cinema, and they have like 37 dining, whatever, like food stuff. You can order stuff. They have a click and collect thing and pick it up for a fee. And they have a smart locker. You can lock your stuff in for a fee. They have a 3-hour free parking with the app. If you download their app and try to pay from the app, you get 3 hours free. Else you would pay. I think the first 1 hour is free. Then each 30 minutes, like $2.50. The max is $25 for 12 hours. Max for 24 hours is $60. And then they have valet parking too. That has its own price. They have a public art walk I think like the places I passed where you saw like nice artsy stuff, that's pretty much what it is. Mondays and Tuesdays they're open 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wednesdays to Fridays they're open 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. Today's Thursday. Saturday open 9 to 5. Sunday open 10 to 5. So yeah, that's the mall, guys. That's it for me. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. You guys don't comment enough. Please just comment. Just say something. Say something, please. But yeah, like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you think if you'll be visiting this mall. This is a free thing to do for brokies. I'm not broke in Jesus' name, but for people who ain't got a job or enough money or a really tight budget like I am, you can just come here and walk around. I hate window shopping, so I didn't really look at any shops, but I just wanted to see the place, and it's an activity. I've seen the place. They have nice artsy stuff. Just bought my A&W for like $10 and that was it. But yeah, thank you guys. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button so when I post new videos you can be notified. Bye. Love y'all.